Hello and welcome back to the unit tutorials for Year 3 Science. This is Unit 3 Light and Shadows and this video part 1. This unit tutorial will be in 2 parts, during which I will walk you through the unit so you come out being confident in how to access the resources, the content of the unit and how to make any adaptations for your class. So we'll walk you through the following areas: what resources are available and how to access them, the unit's disciplinary and substantive concepts, and the unit sequence of learning. The resources available to teach this unit are the Science Progression Document, the Teacher Subject Knowledge Guide, the Unit Planning Guidance, PowerPoint slides, the Pupil Workbook and the eBook Workbook online, additional resources to go alongside some lessons, and a Pupil Knowledge Guide. To access the resources in Oxford OWL, you'll need to log in, click on Subscriptions, select the year group and subject, so Year 1 and 2 Science. Scroll down to View the available resources. Select the year group from the drop-down option, select the unit from the drop-down option, and download the resources for each lesson. Here are the overall disciplinary and substantive concepts for this unit. You can pause the video here to read through them, or you can find them in the progression document for the subject and this unit's unit planning guidance. Here are the main unit connections to the future and prior learning. A bullet point list of the progression and linking facts can be found in the unit planning guidance. This is the lesson sequence for this unit. There are 10 lessons in this unit, which are approximately 2 hours each. Each lesson question drives the learning for that lesson. People should be able to answer the lesson question based on their new learning at the end of the lesson. To support this new learning, at the start of each lesson, pupils complete a knowledge quiz based entirely on the previous lesson's learning. This also allows opportunities for teachers to check for understanding and address any misconceptions before going forward. Every lesson ends with 2 exit questions, which also allow teachers to judge the understanding of pupils before moving on to the next lesson. To prepare to teach a unit, we recommend you read the Teacher Subject Knowledge Guide. To prepare to teach a unit guidance, we recommend you read through the teacher suggestions of activities that need resources, unit planning guidance, as well as future and prior learning suggestions of activities that need resources, and use a copy of the pupil workbook to complete the activities yourself. We'd recommend using pupil workbook. We'd recommend using a pupil workbook as a teacher copy. We provide the answers for each activity. We provide answers working through the activities yourself. Working will allow you to put yourself will allow you to put yourself in people's shoes, as well as starting the process of working out what adaptations may need to be made. You may have 1 or 2 pupils in mind. Before you start video part 2, take some time to complete your exemplars. Before you start each of the lesson activities, and we'll see you back to part 2, where we'll look at adaptations and key moments within the unit. And we'll see you back for part 2, where we'll look at adaptations and key moments within the unit to prepare for.